Hi, this is Teresa with Yarn Again. I'm out and about and I wanted to show you the old sanitarium in psychiatric center. They're tearing it down and I thought, well, why don't we get this on camera before everyone forgets the service that this did to the people. And it will be turned into a shopping plaza, because that's what they do here. And apparently Thomas English muffins just got delivered, so they're nice and fresh. I thought this was cool. You can hear the train in the background. I'm not outside because it's really windy and you just hear but this is old sanitarium and psychiatric center, and it's right close to a college. College is across the street. And there's more of it there. I think those were the doctor's quarters, like, or the nurses when they used to have to sleep on site. But it went a while, all the trucks and everybody's getting ready. Thank you for coming by. I know it's really short, but I wanted to share that. The old architecture alone. You can see on this one in the back where they built onto it, more modern, excuse me. And then you have all these nice little tops. The roofs are caving in and such. But look at those windows, because that's the main building. And the smokestacks. Interesting. Little piece of history. Closed in the 80s, I believe. And the clouds over it. Look at that. The clouds over it. Kind of cool. Alright. Thanks for coming by. Have a great day.